Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Trade Republic Review My Usage Experience. Trade Republic Review My Usage Experience offers a mobile-first brokerage platform for investing in stocks and ETFs. It aims to provide a simple and commission-free trading experience for both beginners and experienced investors. Key features include fractional share trading and a clean, user-friendly interface. Their website provides details on available assets and account types. Trade Republic positions itself as a low-cost, easy-to-use alternative to traditional brokerage firms. They emphasize their commission-free trading, transparent pricing, no hidden fees, and straightforward account management. The platform uses a modern, app-based interface designed for intuitive navigation. Availability is generally within the European Economic Area, though details can be found on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Trade Republic. Getting started was a breeze. The sign-up process was quick and easy, and I was trading within minutes. The interface is incredibly clean and intuitive. Even as someone who's not super tech-savvy, I found it easy to navigate. I particularly like the fractional share trading feature. It allows me to invest in expensive stocks without having to buy a full share. I bought a few shares of Tesla and Google, and the entire process, from searching for the stock to placing the order, was seamless. The order execution was also pretty fast, usually completing within seconds. I had a quick question about a pending transaction, and their support responded within a day via email, pretty responsive for a free service. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, showing my portfolio value, recent trades, and overall performance at a glance. One minor drawback was the lack of advanced charting tools, but that's a minor issue for a beginner-friendly platform like this. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Trade Republic. It's simple, efficient, and perfect for casual investors like myself. That's my overview of Trade Republic Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.